right? So today's session basically focus on two phases, phase 1 and phase 2, right? And as we can see, phase 1 contains 5 chapters, big chapters. It starts from warehouse structure, basic processes, then followed by monitoring, additional functions of EWM, and organizations for warehouse. So here we shall have the thrust level, like org structure, we shall provide micro level thrust, deep dive. Also we shall do deep dive for processes. So the sessions have 4 objectives. It is especially applicable for EWM S4HANA 1909 topic, which is the newest version for S4HANA. Second, we shall do some project work, which is very much related to the greenfield implementation project, which is a fresh implementation, which is a new implementation. Then we shall have some questionnaires to ask to the business to find out the pain area of the business. And last but not the least, we shall do practice. So our theory class would be followed by the practical class. Okay. So these are the specific topics we shall follow. And here we can see that we shall follow big 5 chapters in phase 1. In phase 2, we shall start again next 5 chapters. It starts from basic customizing process. So basic customizing process is the bread and butter for functional as well as technical fellow. And optimization of warehouses, we have got warehouse specific web management, labor management, production supply, expected good receipts, cross-docking. Okay. So web management is defined as a particular virtual template, which is used to combine the n number of deliveries based on the specific warehouse request line item. Okay. So we have some web specific interlocks, some selection criteria to do the selection of very specific warehouse request to make a particular delivery as per the changing orders for the customer. So web management is used for the outbound delivery. Labor management involves that there are 2 types of labor, direct labor and indirect labor. Direct labor is responsible in our house for the regular jobs like picking, packing, put away, then replenishment. Indirect labor is responsible for cleaning job. Okay. Production supply, we can supply the products, basically some semi-finished products or raw material or components to the production line through warehouse. Then after we can receive the goods from the production line as finished goods, and we can put these goods in the warehouse, in particular other bins. Cross-docking, basically it is a process in warehouse to bypass the warehouse internal processes. It will enable to move the product from warehouse GR entry to the goods issue location within 1 movement time. Okay. Followed by warehouse extension, there we shall take care about the international customers and vendors for shipping and receiving using yard management and transportation management. Here we can see material flow system in our house is used especially for PLC based devices like conveyors, cranes, elevator, lift, and others. So there we are using telegrams to do the data communication. For automation, for the movements of the products, for PLC based devices, right? Like you can say PLC based conveyors, PLC based cranes, and so on. Rapid deployment solution provides the flavors of the project management. Here you are using activate methodology. There are 4 phases of activate methodology: prepare, explore, realize, and deploy. Last but not the least, we shall take care about the end-to-end process for EWM. So there we shall take a particular product like this, and then we shall do the inbound delivery followed by the outbound delivery as end-to-end scenario for EWM activities. So these are the important topics for phase 2. Phase 1 also we shall cover very specific structures followed by basic processes, inbound and outbound. We have a one-stop monitoring like a warehouse monitor. It is used for the monitoring, execution and control for important warehouse activities. We have got storage controls. So in 1909 we have got Fury apps also. We shall see how the Fury apps is more active, like you can find out the warehouse KPI, performance indicators, which is the bread and butter for warehouse manager. So it is the 1909 version. I log on. Okay. So this is the 1909 EWM version, and we can check from here. Systems, status. So install product version. So you can see this is the S4HANA on-premise 1909. 1909 is available for 1809 and 1909 both the areas. So these are the specific packs you can see. Any question, Ramaya or Faraday?
What is the difference between 1809 and 1909, sir? Sir, are you there?
Tell me, any question?
What are the main differences between 1809 and 1909 based on HANA Studio wise?
See, HANA Studio in 1909 we have got more advancement towards the data science, analytics, like predictive analytics. Okay. So related to the SAP Leonardo. Okay, machine learning.
Can you please show that one, sir?
Yeah, that's is also in the actual class. So this is the demo class. That's we have started the demo class. That these are the differences. So this will be shown in the actual class. So it will take time. It will be class of about 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So per day we shall our class will be on from Saturday and Sunday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. evening, weekend class. Okay, Ramya, is it okay?
Okay, sir, show something practical, no?
Yeah, practical we shall show in the class. It is demo. So demo I am showing you. Practical we can see in demo class, right? So in the class we can see all the practical things. Practical will take time, right?
Okay, sir, at least something basic.
Yeah, so basic something we can see here. I can show you some monitor. Have you seen monitor?
Yes, sir.
So in monitor, have you seen alert? Huh? These are the in monitor we can see different parameters, different nodes left side, right? Monitor has got 3 sections. So left side is the node and sub node, right? Just the tree structure: outbound, inbound, physical, inventory, documents, stock and bin, resource management, product. Alert. Alert is applicable for warehouse managers shift handover matter.
Sir, okay. Are you using Web IDE?
We are using local installed on-premise S4HANA 1909.
Okay.
It is not remote control. It is
So
not a
you are
remote
going to
server.
teach on-premise edition?
Huh?
Are you going to teach only on-premise edition or cloud edition also?
See, what is the difference? What is the difference between on-premise and cloud?
In cloud, we
Good
need to
question.
work in server, sir.
Huh?
In cloud, we need to work with server and web ID.
And in
We
on-premise?
need to enter the URL, right? Huh?
In on-premise?
Local mission only we need to work.
Basically, we are not having the cloud license. We are having the on-premise. Cloud license is quite cumbersome, right? Second thing, cloud is having less opportunity for change or configure or customizing. Okay, cloud is already pre-configured, predefined factory solution. We have very less opportunity to learn in cloud, but we have lot of opportunity to learn in on-premise. Just like GUI, it is a GUI. Okay, then we can go for Fiori app. So as a responsible consultant, we should learn all the way by on-premise. We have very less opportunity to learn on cloud. Okay, is it right or wrong, Ramya?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
I have seen Ariba. I have worked for Ariba also. I know Ariba, but Ariba is having lot of problem for data communication. Lot of problem. That's why.
What is it?
Hmm?
What is your problem?
Data communication.
The communication.
Do you know data communication?
Data communication.
So this is the only problem in Ariba.
Okay.
From one system to another system. Okay.
Okay.
Now